And also here, just realize how it affects the whole body. And don't isolate the movement, just go with this effect, affecting the whole body. Yeah? I mean, you can isolate a movement, but the tendency is that when you bring up the shoulders, is an impulse for the whole body to come up with it. Yeah? And if you bring them down, you go a bit and create. Is involved. Yeah? Don't see the movement as something isolated, but as a totality of the body. Yeah? Now, okay, till now we make quite big movements. What happens now if you really do a very small movement? Like, imagine that you have a little brush on your nose. You paint an 8 that is turned aside. You paint an 8 into the space. Distributed differently on your feet. Can you feel that? Yeah. So yeah. Now, the 8, the triangle, the square, and the circle. First for yourself in space, so that you do from small to big to small and to different variations. Okay, with moving in space. So the 8 can go like this. Try to be precise. We were starting from something else. We were starting from one of the basic principles in biomechanics, is that when you move the smallest part of your body, the whole body is involved. Yeah? And I think we realized that, of course, you can do this. You can realize that in a very small movement, and of course, in the beginning, it gets much more clear if you do a big movement. As long as you keep the big movement serious, and if you don't get pathetic and you think and you are clowning around with it, both has an enormous quality, and both is actually investigating seriously on the principle of this totality. Yeah? And then you make your choice. If you want to work for film acting, probably you will not do these big movements, as long as you are not asked for it. Yeah? Because of a specific situation. Yeah. In a theater situation where you have 1,000 people and the last row is 50 meters away from you, it doesn't make sense that you just do like this all the time. Now we're going to analyze a specific movement. Yeah? Now we're going to look at a movement and we're going to see how can we actually, this totality, how can we understand it better by analyzing it? Does a movement have, for example, different phases?